Hey there YouTube, this is Cactus Naga with a video on a microwave handle that has broken off. Here's the broken off piece, and the handle is right here. It has come off and I need to replace this. So I did find one on eBay for about 25 bucks, and I'm going to be replacing the handle. Now the door actually comes off quite easily. Just open it up and lift it a little bit. It should come off right off. So I have the door laying on the counter now, and as you can see, this is where the door goes. I need to get at it from the back here. Just turn it around and just at the starting at the corner, I'm going to remove the plastic, the bezel that is around it. Under there's going to be some screws that hold things together. So just use a regular screwdriver and starting at the corner where the hinge is, I'll just kind of pop it up a little bit, like so. Yeah, there he goes. And as it comes, there it comes. And just kind of go around and remove the plastic bezel. The bezel is now off, and the screw that had broken off from the handle is lodged in there, and the other screw is still there. So the new handle did not come with its own hardware, so I'm going to be reusing the old hardware. I'll try to get the screws out, and we will go from there. So if it was only the handle that you need to replace, the installation of the handle can resume right now. But in my case, I just wanted to get this metal mesh off so that I can get to the glass on the underside and kind of clean the glass a little bit. It's been fogging up a few times. So to get to the glass, and there are these little clips along the edge, the periphery, which have to be kind of widened out a little bit to get the metal mesh plate off, and I'll be doing that right now. So here's the glass, and this plastic piece also can come off quite easily. Again, a few latches that need to kind of push back a little bit, I think, and there it goes. Get that out of the way. The glass can now come off. fairly easily, I would think. Again, the same latches. So here it comes. Gonna give this a good cleaning and reinstall it back. Okay, so I've got all the parts disassembled and I cleaned them up. Now it's time to reassemble them. The pieces are dry now. So the first thing to put down, of course, is the glass. Make sure that the logo reads correctly, otherwise later on it's going to look dorky. The hinge was going to be on this side, and the handle is going to be on this side, so just to make sure of that. I'm going to kind of wipe down the glass and make sure that it's clean. And once I've done that, I will be putting down the plastic piece around it. It goes in like this. Kind of snaps in place. There we go. Goes in place. And after that, the perforated piece goes on. I think it goes on this way. So it goes there. And oops. Like so, I think. There we go. Should snap it. It's in. It's all snapped in place now. Kind of give it a wipe down. As you can see, this little thing is a little bent up, so I'm gonna straighten it up a little bit. Not sure how it got bent up, but this is not very important, but still got to get that done. Okay. And really that's about it. So here is the new handle, and it will go in this way, or maybe actually this way. Goes in, yep, it's in all the way. And now kind of put it down here. The handle is in there now. I'm going to put in the screws, tighten them up, and we'll place the plastic bezel back on and put it back onto the microwave. Put the bezel piece back on, I think, like that. The plastic bezel is now been pressed in, and the door is now ready to be mounted. There it is, the handle on the door and the door on the microwave. Everything is looking good. Opening, closing, feeling good. Thanks for watching, guys.